Hey guys, this is Jim. I'm in for the Wall Street Hustler. Wall Street Hustler can be found at wallstreethustler.com, of course. Hope you guys are doing fantastic out there. Today is Sunday, June the 12th, 2011, and this is a video chart presentation on WSHE, which is E-Debit Global Corporation, traded on the pink sheets. And of course, a couple things. Let's go ahead and point out a couple things here. You notice the last couple of sessions here, we had a nice little, just a slight uptick here in the price. You know, it looks like we're got some people picking up some shares here. And a couple of things I want to point out that really looks nice to me. Slow stochastic should stand out for you here. We've had a nice oversold condition here, and we've bounced and also did the cross here and divergence. And as you can tell, as you can see here, it's headed back north. Historically, this thing has been in the power zone back here, as evidenced in prior sessions here. So, you know, you can. I mean, even before then, there's been a couple peaks here as well. So you might expect, you know, with some news or whatever, some nice buying volume. Certainly, there's enough room to move up. The RSI is looking nice here too. Also, by the way, I don't have the MACD on here because the MACD was pretty inconclusive here, so I chose not to use that. But I did want to show you the money flow here before I get into RSI. Money flow here is looking nice. We had a bounce back off the 20 here, headed north here, as you can see, and historically again it has been in that, you know, that power zone, if you will, above 80. So again, you know, you might expect this to have some more room to head north. The RSI is looking nice here. We had a nice. It's been hanging around the 50 mark, which is, you know, nice. It's not overbought, oversold, but we had a nice little click up in Friday's session, closing up at 53.60. The price actually was 0.038 technically, but for some reason it's rounding here. So it finished up nice, 11.76 for the day. Had a little bit of volume here as well. So looks like we have some people picking these shares up recently. As far as support and resistance levels, support is right here at 0.03. It's closed up comfortably above that, and it showed it was above that all day on Friday. Next one is the 200 DMA at 0.05. It's kind of nice. It kind of coincides with the last rally here and sell-off. So at least from the 4 to 5 cent mark, looks like you'd have some room here before you start to see RSI heading too far north, and also your slow stochastic. Actually, looks like you have quite a bit of room before you might expect the slow stochastics to head north, perhaps even 8 or 9, 10 cents. You know, and that's just extrapolating here. Let's look at some lines here. Again, like about 2.5 cents or so. We have nice strong support here. As you can see, it's been bouncing here in the last several sessions. We got some resistance levels here. Well, let's see here. We're going to call it about 3.8 cents, 4 cents or so, just because that was yesterday's close. But again, Friday's close. But again, that's pretty darn weak. That should be easy to bust through. And also, let's go above north of there. I'm going to say, well, technically, let's put it here. Probably a little less than 5 cents, excuse me, probably about 4.8 cents. You're going to see one there, and perhaps around the 6 cent level. So we definitely have some things to, some resistance points to get through here. But I tell you what though, if this thing does really go crazy, once you get past the 7 cent mark here, as you can see here, it's previous sessions here. I mean, gosh, it's blue sky after that. I mean, you got till 10, 12 cents or more. So we'll have to wait and see how this thing behaves on this week. But so far, looking like it's kind of coming off a bottom here, and perhaps starting to turn north. Looks like the trends are starting to turn north a little bit for us. RSI is heading north, and slow stochastics, we had the cross and divergence up north too. So again, we'll just have to keep an eye on it. Hope you enjoyed the video presentation. I did want to remind you that the information contained herein has been compiled from sources deemed reliable and is accurate to the best of our knowledge and belief. However, WallStreetHustler.com cannot guarantee as to its accuracy, completeness, and validity, and cannot be held liable for any errors or omissions. Furthermore, WallStreetHustler.com is neither an investment advisor nor financial advisor, and no information provided here is to be interpreted as a suggestion to buy or sell securities. Please visit the disclaimer page at the website at www.wallstreethustler.com for further information. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.